What's going on, guys? So today I got some letters for the truck. All right, these are the letters that basically fill the embossing that's on the tailgate here. All right, so I know everyone got a little weird on me with the removing of the badges. I don't know why so many people took that personally, but it's just a personal preference. I just like it without the badges. However, I'm putting more badges on. So the Tacoma that's on the tailgate here is just, it's embossed and it looks fine. It's just a little unfinished to me. So the purpose of these letters is to fill that in. And obviously you could see it a lot better too. All right, so I am very proud of my Tacoma. And I don't need to say on the truck Tacoma 15 times, but it is going to say it really big on the tailgate. So these are essentially the same thing as the other side badges. It's a piece of plastic with a sticker on it. So I'm going to clean that area really well, pop these on, and we'll see how it looks. All right, so here is the before. Let me step back a little bit. There it is, and I'll be back when it's done. All right, there it is. That could not be easier. A child could do this. All right, so they just literally stick on. So now you can see that badge a little bit better on the back, and it looks a little more finished to me. So that's it, just another tiny little cheap Tacoma mod. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.